Alright, it's time to unbox the HS35 stereo gaming headset from Corsair. Shout out to Ian McQuay who requested more unboxings for the channel in the last episode. So here it is, the HS35. I'm a big fan of Corsair, especially their keyboards, but I've never owned a headset from the brand before. I've heard good things about the audio quality of their headsets, but this is just an unboxing. A full review video will come out after this. Right off the bat, the box is very nice. It's got that recognizable black and yellow colorway that Corsair is known for, and it's actually very stylish. Inside, we've got the headset in a plastic mold with a hard latch to protect it from bumps during shipping, and some plastic wrapping to protect the headband and cup vent areas. Accessories are minimal as it only comes with a multi-jack splitter and the detachable mic that Corsair brands as Discord certified. I don't know what that means yet for the quality of the mic, but we'll see in my full review. Let's plug it into my phone and listen to a few songs. Wow, it's very loud and very bass heavy, which is common for gaming headsets in any price bracket like the $100 Logitech G433 and the $80 Razer Kraken 7.1. But the standout feature for the Corsair HS35 is that this headset only costs $40. So that's what you get with the HS35 from Corsair. I'll be using this for the next few days, so stay tuned for the full review. Comment down below if you have any questions about the HS35 that you would like to be answered in the review. And please subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more straight to the point unboxings like this. My previous video was about my comeback to YouTube. Have you seen it yet? Here's a link. You might want to watch it. That's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.